Welcome to yet another episode of Delicious Madras. So today we are at Thanjavur. We reside in the hotel is Grand Ashok, in Thanjavur. So it's a very pleasant morning. So we had our breakfast. That's a complimentary breakfast. How was the breakfast?
Breakfast was fantastic and it was so nourishing. The breakfast is served in the room.
Yeah.
So it's a room service. So during this COVID period, most of the hotels they prefer to have the room service or the breakfast, and that is much more easier. So you can have you take your own time and do the breakfast in your room.
Yeah. No hurry and all. You can have it like in a relaxed way. Fine. We love to see the rooms which is available, the services which is available in this hotel. So we request to the manager is available here. So he said he will show all the category rooms to our viewers. So ningalum ippo Thanjavur nearby Trichy varaanengil, because this hotel is very next in the Trichy highway. Okay. Yeah.
The hotel has an advantage. എന്താണെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ ഹോട്ടലിൻ്റെ തൊട്ടടുത്ത് തന്നെ വെജിറ്റേറിയൻ റെസ്റ്റോറൻറ്റ് ഉണ്ട്, A to B. So when you pass through, you can always see the A to B. And the hotel Grand Ashok, it's a brand new hotel. The rooms are spacious. We had a very nice sleep and a good sleep yesterday, and it's fantastic. So let's move on to
room reviews.
We will show you the entire space of the hotel. We are here to show you some rooms, and as we promised, Mr. Hari, who is the general manager of the hotel, is also here. They have agreed to show us a few rooms. Hi, we are in the suite room of the Grand Ashok. Facility the wall exactly, they have a real good finish of ivory white, and the floor is milky white, glazing tiles. Hi friends, we continue with our room tour. So this is a big spacious bedroom with a comfortable bedding. You can see that really soft, and with a side lamp for reading. On the one side is provided with a telephone for the contacts, and I really love this, with a really good furnishing which really takes almost up to the top level of the ceiling. And it is a real finishing, and also they have provided the fans in all the rooms. And we have the wardrobes here, and the wardrobes, they have a spacious this room. And you also need to comment what exactly how it looks like. If you have seen a similar room in another hotel, you need to tell us. Okay, and if you love this room, suite room, come over and stay in the suite room. Ask for the suite room. So how many suite rooms we have? We have 4 rooms. 4 rooms. Guys, 4 rooms. So 4 rooms is there here. And when you open the window, the natural light coming in. So really don't need artificial light in the daytime. And just over that, it's, you can say the greenery. It's really beautiful greenery. And let the light come in. And let the light be lit by the time. Nice couch here. So you have a private chat. If you want to work, you can take your laptop and do your work. The family can be there, so it's a really nice place. And here you can use it for reading books, or children can read the books or whatever. It's away from the bedroom. So let's see the bathrooms now. Let's go in. So it's really spacious washroom area. And you can see the partition is done with a glass, and also we have the shower up there, and always it is handle is provided on the door and also on the side. It is much more easy for the elderly people just to hold on. So hi. So it's a touch screen mirror. Okay. So Hari, can you do that once again?
Yeah,
so
sure.
that's a switch. Switch itself is on the mirror. So you can see that red spot there. So you touch that, then it's on, and it turns into blue.
Everyone love this room tour. This is the suite room tour. Okay, so I think Hari, can you tell us, like, to the audience, what exactly the tariff for this room?
The tariff for this room is 4,500
Okay,
plus GST too.
GST. Yeah, please come. So when I get into this room, like on the left hand side, I can see the bathroom. So I will show you that later, but now we are moving on to the bed side. So here you can see two twin beds, it's a very comfortable one. When you travel as an executive or you represent some corporate, you can just travel as a the corporate tour kind of a thing, wherein you can use this single beds. Okay, coming with your team members or even for a sales meeting, for example. So this is, I think, pretty comfortable bed. And the one advantage is this mattresses are very soft, very comfortable couch. You can see, like, two people can easily sit here and relax, and you can have a cup of tea or coffee, or you can just read some books. I think this place is really comfortable one. When you travel as an for official purpose, this is much comfortable one. You can do your work while lecturing into. And again, I'm just switching on this light, so you will have more the brightness over here, and it's pretty comfortable. Rather we can feel it's not. So moving on to the luggage rack. It's pretty cool, like they have just maintained it to avoid the scratches. And when we going to this closet, it's a usual closet, but we have a digi locker here, a digi locker, safe locker, then with hangers. So I hope you love this room. Like, this is the premium category room. So Hari, you would like to add on to the tariff part? Come over.
Yeah.
Come in. So our GM will explain, like, what is the tariff and what offers our viewers can expect from you also.
We will give a direct of 10% discount from single occupancy. It's 2,450 plus taxes.
Superb.
And for the double occupancy, it should be 3,250 plus taxes.
Okay.
From there, we can give a 10% discount from there.
Oh, okay. That's good. Yeah. So now we are in our, the category which is, the third category, which is executive room, right? The executive room, wherein we also stay in the same category room. So let me open it. So Hari is helping me to open. I hope everyone loves this room as well, the executive room. So Hari is here, GM is here, so he will explain you the tariff for this particular room.
Yeah, this room is especially for families.
Okay.
When they come with kids, so you can put extra, right? So this is a spacious room. This is we are charging for double occupancy is 3,600.
Oh, great.
For
Okay.
single occupancy, it should be 3,250.
Okay, and you provide the extra bed as
Yeah,
well,
extra
right?
bed.
For
We do have the in-room dining facilities, like we can serve the lunch, breakfast, and the dinner as well. with both veg and non-veg. We have a selected beautiful menu
Okay.
which you will love it here.
Okay.
And we have a laundry facility as well, which can be delivered on the same day.
Okay.
Yeah, so for the business peoples and the corporates, they really
Love
like
to,
the
yeah.
laundry when it's
Yeah,
been
correct,
delivered
correct.
on the same
Obviously,
day.
they won't be ready like with the clothes.
Correct.
So obviously they love to have the
Yeah.
laundry services. Correct.
Yes.
Yeah.
So those are the facilities we have, and we do have the complimentary breakfast as well, which is served in the first floor. We have our breakfast area.
Yeah, we had a breakfast today. It was a fantastic breakfast, and it was like full of. It's full now, now it's a lunchtime, but I'm not feeling like having the. So friends, now we are at Hotel Grand Ashok's boardroom. Okay, it's a meeting room. It's a spacious room, I can say, and it can accommodate almost 16 people. So normally what would be the tariff for this
We
particular?
are charging it on an hourly basis.
Okay.
It is 1,500.
Oh, cool. Okay, 1,500 for per hour, is it? Per
Yes,
hour,
yeah.
1,500. Conference hall. It's a huge one.
Requesting if they just leave the hall like without the food. So it should be per hour, it should be 3,500.
Okay, cool.
3,500. But if they take the food, like we provide the hall as free, and it starts from for the veg selected menus, it should be 450 plus taxes. And if they are adding a non-veg to that, single non-veg, it should be 50 rupees added to.
Oh, okay.
So it should be like 500. If they added 2 non-veg, so it can be 550 plus taxes.
Okay. And that is per hour charges you are talking about, right? Per
Yeah.
hour charges. Okay.
Per hour, if they just took the hall, if they don't need a food, they just want to have a conference
Okay.
kind of thing, so
Okay.
that should be charged on a hourly.
So even for receptions and all, obviously they can use this hall, and you can have the people can have the accommodation as well.
Yeah.
So they can book as a group, like for a family event, you can book the rooms along with the conference hall. Okay, for your particular family events. Okay, so and again the tariff is also quite naturally like it's a very quite reasonable pricing, I can say. It's a quite reasonable price, and they have the buffet system here. They provide the buffet here itself in the same hall itself. So everything is well maintained.